everyone, it's the M&M Twins, and today we'll be doing another video. In today's video, we will be testing out these Dollar Tree slime kits.
These are supposedly glow in the dark.
And you can supposedly stretch it and squeeze it
and create cool slime. So let's get straight onto the video. Open up them. Okay, so I'm going to read all these rules.
And here are the things that it came with: Gar Gum, sodium tetraborate, and a popsicle stick.
So I'm going to read the first rule. It says, do not eat the slime or any of the ingredients.
Number 2, keep away from your eyes.
Number 3, wash your hands well after use.
Okay, so first we have to measure 5 milliliters of warm water and pour it into a cup. We want to mix in 3 grams of Gar Gum. Mix.
So have a little.
Barley. See, it's skunking up. This is the glue. This is what acts like the glue. So it's like clear, transparent. Step 3. Once the powder is mixed in well, pour sodium tetraborate liquid to the cup. Use your wooden mixing stick to mix in the liquid.
So I'm guessing you just add a little at a time and until it. I did add the whole thing of this, but that's not why, because it's supposed to work before I even add it. Start getting cooked up.
You.
So we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to become an official M&M Twin. And don't be a Skittle. Bye!